Racing just is started while inspiring was left behind. We have Merrill's time break quickly at the start. Moving up on the outside, Gobernadora JST in the middle portion. Dagaran Quiz with Eliza, Pedro Penduco, Atoy for us, Jupiter Thunder Substantial, Real Excellent, Angelic Boys comes next alongside Supra, while entry number 10 and that is Shining Gold is the early trailer by about 12 lengths of the leader. And as they swing down the back, we have Merrill's time by about 4 lengths. Pedro Penduco in second, Dagaran Kid in third. Moving up now on the outside is JST Substantial. Jupiter Thunder comes next. Gobernador as with Eliza. Angelic Boys, Real Excellent, Supra, Atoy for us, and Shining Gold. And at the far turn, we have Merrill's time by about 2 lengths. Pedro Penduco in second. JST on the outside. Jupiter Thunder, Angelic Boys now moving up on the outside. And they are now entering the home stretch. Bunch of entries are now fighting out for the lead. Angelic Boys moving up on the outside to take the lead. Down on the inside, Pedro Penduco, Merrill's time, JST, Real Excellent, last 75 meters. We have Angelic Boys followed by Pedro Penduco, and finally Angelic Boys, Real Excellent. Then comes Pedro Penduco, Merrill's time, Sweet Eliza.
Patigay ko mag-aantay na naman tayo ng matagal din mo kung may photo finish tayo.